Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 18th of September. And first of all, national news. In dense Kashmir forest, anti-terror operation dragged on for over 100 hours. G20 declaration a textbook example for future diplomacy, former ambassador. India's Shanti Niketan inscribed on UNESCO World Heritage List. PM inaugurated Vishwakarma scheme, said government is committed to the uplift of the marginalized. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar hoisted national flag at new parliament building. Army likely to complete inducting 114 Dhanush guns by 2026. Now some international news. Three firefighters missing in Turkey helicopter crash. Greek PM vote for restart after criticism over handling of fires, floods. Indigenous rights supporters rally across Australia ahead of key vote. Russia attacked Ukraine's Odessa with drones and missiles as war rages on. Top China minister's disappearance put question mark on Xi Jinping's rule. Prepare for long war in Ukraine, NATO chief warned. Ukraine's Zelensky to make second wartime visit to US next week. Now some sports news. Mohammad Siraj breathed fires as India demolished Sri Lanka to win Asia Cup. Bopanna ended Davis Cup career on a high. India won 3-1 against Morocco. Fired World Junior Chess Championship, India chess players' visa delayed by Mexican embassy. Lavinil strike gold in Rio Shooting World Cup. Now some business related news. Mercedes-Benz India unveiled EQE 500 SUV at 1.39 crore. Akasa Air sues pilots who quit without serving 6-month notice seek crores in damages. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman celebrated artisans' contribution to India's economy. Finance Ministry dismissed criticism about inflated GDP. And that's all in news. Thank you.